Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the new 3ds Max tutorial. So it's a continuation of the 3ds Max tutorial actually. So today I will be discussing about the editable spline. So what is editable spline? So you can see here, this is the perspective view. Okay. You can go to the shape. So you just go to the shape and just take some shape. Okay, this is a box, this is a kind of a line. Okay, this kind of line. Okay, so what is editable spline actually? In the editable spline, it's you can further modify. We talked about this shape things, that line, rectangle, in my previous video. So if you want to learn, then you go back to the previous video and learn about the basics of shapes. So today is the editable spline actually. So we can see here, this is a flat rectangle shape, and this is a line. Okay, so these are actually forming with the points. Okay, so in the editable spline you can actually uh, manipulate the points and you can play with them. Okay, so right now if I click on this and if I go to the modifier, you can see you can okay, you can manipulate this side and this side, and also the other things, and also this one. Okay, but if you convert it to the editable spline, okay, this one is by default the editable spline modifier is applied on it. You can see here the line is actually coming with some sort of selection mode. So let's say I convert this. So right click on this and convert to. Okay, again right click on this, convert to you see, convert to editable spline, editable mesh, editable poly, editable G poly, editable patch, and convert to nerves. Okay, so the first one, editable spline. Okay, you see, when I click on when I convert click on the convert to editable spline, you can see the options are here. So many options are here, like this one. So many options. Remember, the line is already in a okay, okay, yeah, yeah, remember the line is already converted with the editable spline, but you have to let's say the rectangle. Okay, let's say the circle, let's say the n-gon. Okay, you have to convert. These are coming, these are closed shape. Okay, the closed shape, and they are coming with their own parameters. If I go to the modifier list, you can see the options are so limited, like this, like this, like this I showed previously. So what you have to do to convert it in editable spline, just go to and convert to the editable spline, convert to editable spline. Okay, you see here is their modifier. You just go and convert to the editable spline. Okay, convert to the editable convert to the editable spline. Yeah, okay, you see now all these shapes, these shapes are converted to editable spline. Okay, So I will explain in a moment that why we are converting this one. Let's say align this one. Okay, so when you click on this or select this, you see there is three options, that vertex and segments, and also the spline. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, this one, if you click on, you can still have these, rendering options, that okay, the editable, enable in render, enable in viewport. Okay, just like this. Okay, but you have this extra, options, that vertex, segments, and the spline. So actually what it is, if you click on vertex, you see the line, the vertex are showing this one, this one, this one, this one. You see, when you just enable this one, you click on that to enable this one. So you can see the entire line is actually formed with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertex, with the 5 vertex, and you can select them. You can select this one, this one, this one, and this one, and also this one. Okay, and the interesting part is, you can select them and you can rotate them, and you can anything, you can manipulate them. Okay, just like this, just like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, this one, ah this one. Okay, go to the another section. Let's say a rectangle. Obviously the rectangle has the vertex, should be here, 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 and here. So it should be with the 4 vertex. So if I go to the rectangle modifier option, and if I go to the vertex selection option, then I can select the 4 vertex. You see, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, you see, I can modify them. I can modify them. Yeah, see, yeah, something like that. And let's say this one. Okay, let's say this one. This one, if I convert to, okay, if I go to the vertex, you see these are actually forming with 4 vertex also. This one, this one, this one, this one. And remember this is an interesting fact, that this one is a circle. Okay, so remember, when I just click on this one or selecting this one, these has a some sort of handle, like we can see it's a kind of a pen tool. And we see these options in the Adobe Illustrator or something. You see, if I select the all of the vertex, you see how it is, so let's say if I drag this, we can drag this with the handle, this one. Let's see what happens. You see, ah and let's say something like this shape is forming, okay, some sort of this shape. Okay, some sort of this one. So this is very kind of a complex shape, and this is kind of a rough. So what you need to do, you just increase the you have to increase the okay, interpolation. Okay, this is 6, you see, to make it round. This is, yeah, increase this up to, let's say, 20. You see how smooth is this one. Okay, so yeah, and also this one, if I go to the vertex, I can modify the vertex. Now what about the segments? If I go to the segments, then I can select the segment. So this is the segment 1, segment 2, segment 3, segment 4. Okay, let's say these two segments, I can click this one. Okay, let's say these two segments, I click this one. Two segments, I can click this one. So this time a segment is selected, so the vertex is not selecting. Okay, you can some sort of like this. Okay, okay, and now the final one is a spline. Okay, think about this. The vertex, the all the components here. Just notice in the right panel, when I click on vertex, all the components are highlighted. It's becoming highlighted that with the vertex you can do these things. Okay, I will go in a deeper in a moment. Okay, and let's say I click on segments. You notice this other options is highlighted. If I go to the spline, other options is highlighted. Actually, the whole panel is divided into three parts, like vertex, like segments, and like spline. So if I go for the spline, then I can select the entire object, like like this one. I click on this. You see, click on this. With the spline, I can select the entire object. Click on this. Okay, okay. Now this one, click on this. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, this completes the first part of the spline option. So in this part, we learn how to convert the simple shape object in a spline object, and we saw the three options that vertex, segments, and the spline. So we will go deeper in the next part. So thank you very much. Stay with me and keep practicing, keep learning, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.